Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download forecasting models from Float step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Float's official website. Log into your Float account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. On the dashboard, find the section labeled Forecasting Models. Click on the Forecasting Models section to open it. Review the available models displayed on the page. Identify the model you wish to download. Hover over the selected model to reveal additional options. Click on the download icon or button next to the chosen model. A prompt will appear confirming your download request. Select the file format you prefer for your download. Click on the Confirm button to initiate the download. Wait for the download to complete, which will take a few moments. Check your browser's download section to ensure the file has been saved. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's designated download folder. Open the file to verify that the forecasting model has been downloaded successfully. If needed, repeat these steps to download any additional models. Ensure to keep your downloaded files organized for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.